Welcome back, everyone. Today is something truly special, because what I'm about to show you is not just a house, it's a statement. We're standing in Golden Beach, Florida, one of the most exclusive and tightly held oceanfront communities in the entire state. This is a place where privacy is absolute, security is unmatched, and every property around you is owned by people who value discretion just as much as luxury. And right here behind these gates is a brand new modern mansion listed at $25 million, unlike anything ever seen in this neighborhood before. As the gates slide open, the first thing you notice is the architecture. This home doesn't try to blend in. It was designed to stand out, to be bold, to feel almost sculptural. Clean horizontal lines stretch across the facade, softened by warm natural stone, rich wood accents, and massive panels of glass. Everything feels intentional, nothing is decorative for the sake of decoration. This is modern design at its most refined, where every material and every angle serves a purpose. The driveway is wide and dramatic, leading you toward a floating-style entrance that immediately sets the tone. There's a sense of arrival here, a feeling that you're stepping into something rare. The landscaping is lush but controlled, with mature palms, manicured greenery, and subtle lighting that will glow beautifully at night. Even before stepping inside, this home already feels like a private resort. As you approach the front door, you're met with an oversized pivot door crafted from rich wood, solid and imposing, yet warm and welcoming. The moment it opens, everything changes. The outside world disappears, and you're drawn straight through the home toward water, light, and sky. The entry experience is breathtaking. Double, height ceilings soar above you, instantly creating a sense of scale and openness. Floor, ceiling glass frames views of the backyard, the pool, and the Intracoastal beyond. Natural light floods the space from every direction, bouncing off polished stone floors that run seamlessly throughout the home. The design is clean, calm, and elegant, allowing the views to be the true artwork. Standing here, you can already feel how this house flows. There are no awkward hallways or closed-off rooms. Instead, spaces transition naturally, guiding you from one experience to the next. To one side, a sculptural floating staircase rises like a piece of modern art, with glass railings and softly lit steps that seem to hover in the air. Above, a custom chandelier drops through the open space, adding drama without overwhelming the architecture. Moving into the main living area, the scale becomes even more impressive. This is a space designed for both grand entertaining and everyday comfort. Oversized seating areas are framed by full, height-sliding glass walls that completely disappear, opening the interior to the outdoors. When these doors are open, the line between inside and outside simply vanishes, and the home transforms into a breezy, sun-filled sanctuary. The living room feels expansive but not cold. Warm wood accents, carefully chosen textures, and soft neutral tones balance the modern lines. Everything feels curated, intentional, and timeless. This is the kind of space where you can host a glamorous evening event with dozens of guests, or enjoy a quiet night watching the sunset with just a few close friends. Just beyond the living area is the dining space, positioned perfectly to capture views of the water. A long dining table sits beneath designer lighting, creating a setting that feels both sophisticated and inviting. Imagine hosting dinner here with the glow of the sunset reflecting off the water outside, the doors open, and a soft ocean breeze moving through the home. The kitchen is nothing short of spectacular. This is a chef's kitchen in every sense of the word, designed to be both functional and visually stunning. A massive waterfall island anchors the space, finished in luxurious stone that feels as much like art as it does a work surface. Integrated appliances blend seamlessly into custom cabinetry, maintaining the clean, uncluttered look of the room. High-end appliances, including professional grade refrigeration, gas cooking, and built-in espresso systems make this kitchen ready for anything from casual family meals to catered events. There's plenty of storage, hidden pantries, and thoughtful details throughout that make everyday living effortless. And yet, despite all of this functionality, the kitchen remains visually calm and elegant, never overpowering the rest of the home. Connected to the kitchen is a more intimate family area, perfect for relaxed mornings or casual evenings. This space feels cozy without sacrificing openness, offering a place to unwind while still staying connected to the heart of the home. Large glass doors keep the water views front and center, reminding you constantly that you're living in one of the most desirable waterfront locations in Florida. On the main level, you'll also find a private guest suite, ideal for visitors who want both comfort and privacy. The bedroom is generously sized, with floor-to-ceiling windows, custom closets, and a beautifully designed ensuite bathroom featuring modern fixtures, stone finishes, and spa-like details. It's not a guest room in the traditional sense. It's a luxury suite that rivals high-end hotel accommodations. There's also a dedicated office on this level, perfect for working from home in complete peace. Positioned away from the main living areas, this space feels quiet and focused, with natural light, custom built-ins, and views that make even the busiest workday feel more relaxed. As we move upstairs, the floating staircase leads us to the private living quarters. The upper level is designed as a sanctuary, reserved for rest, relaxation, and breathtaking views. A glass-lined hallway overlooks the main living space below, reinforcing the home's open, connected design. The primary suite is truly next level. This is not just a bedroom, it's a private retreat that occupies its own wing of the home. As you enter, you're immediately drawn to the floor, a ceiling glass that frames endless water views. Every morning here begins with sunlight dancing across the Intracoastal, and every evening ends with the glow of city lights reflecting on the water. The bedroom itself is spacious and serene, with room for a sitting area and direct access to a private terrace. This outdoor space feels like a hidden escape, perfect for morning coffee or quiet moments at the end of the day. The primary bathroom is pure indulgence. Finished in luxurious stone, it features a freestanding soaking tub positioned to capture the views, a massive walk-in shower with multiple shower heads, and separate vanities with custom cabinetry. Every detail, from the lighting to the fixtures, has been carefully selected to create a spa-like atmosphere that feels both calming and luxurious. The walk-in closet is equally impressive, designed more like a high-end boutique than a storage space. Custom shelving, display areas, and soft lighting make organizing your wardrobe feel like an experience rather than a task. Additional bedrooms on the upper level are all in suite, each offering generous space, modern bathrooms, and large windows. No room in this house feels secondary. Every bedroom has been designed with the same level of care and attention, ensuring comfort and privacy for family and guests alike. There's also a private lounge area upstairs, perfect as a media room or casual gathering space. This area adds another layer of flexibility to the home, giving everyone room to spread out and enjoy their own experiences. Now let's step outside, because this is where the home truly comes alive. The backyard feels like a 5-star resort designed to take full advantage of the waterfront setting. A massive infinity-edge pool stretches across the property, reflecting the sky and water beyond. The pool is complemented by a spacious sun deck, shaded lounge areas, and an outdoor dining space that makes entertaining effortless. There's a fully equipped summer kitchen, perfect for hosting outdoor dinners, barbecues, or evening cocktails. Covered terraces provide shade during the day and transform into cozy gathering spots at night, with integrated lighting creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. The waterfront features are equally impressive. This property offers direct intracoastal access with a private dock, making it ideal for boating enthusiasts. Whether you're heading out for a day on the water or returning home at sunset, this setup makes life on the water seamless and luxurious. Golden Beach itself adds another layer of exclusivity. This is a private, guard-gated community with its own police force, private beach access, and a level of security rarely found anywhere else. Living here means enjoying peace, privacy, and a sense of community that's truly special. What makes this home so remarkable isn't just its size or its price or even its location. It's the fact that everything feels cohesive. The architecture, the interiors, the outdoor spaces, and the setting all work together to create a lifestyle that's both luxurious and livable. At $25 million, this brand new modern mansion represents a rare opportunity to own something truly unique in Golden Beach. It's a home designed for those who appreciate design, value privacy, and want a waterfront lifestyle without compromise. As you imagine yourself living here, it's easy to see how this house becomes more than just a place to live. It becomes a backdrop for memories, celebrations, quiet moments, and everyday life elevated to an entirely new level. If you enjoyed this tour and want to see more extraordinary homes like this, make sure you stay connected. This is the kind of property that reminds us what's possible when vision, design, and location come together perfectly. And here in Golden Beach, Florida, this modern masterpiece truly stands in a class of its own.